way to the CityEngine user meeting today, and it's awesome because it's literally around the corner from the office, so it's like the first conference that you don't need to travel to, or that I don't need to travel to. Yeah, and what makes it even more awesome is the fact that it's CityEngine's 10th birthday celebrations today as well. What an interesting week it's been, and the last couple of days we've been celebrating in style here at the CityEngine user meeting, the second ever one to be held, and this one was here in Zurich. So I've spoken with a lot of interesting people, but I really wanted to highlight Romain Janil here because he's probably one of our most loyal CityEngine users and an absolute CityEngine power user who's been using our software for ever since it came out, basically. So thanks for being here, Romain.
Thank you.
So maybe, yeah, obviously I've already introduced you. Your name is Romain, but maybe tell us a bit about yourself.
I'm a 3D artist and designer from France, Paris, working also in Paris. And I do a lot of things with CityEngine, mainly building and producing huge cities for visualization and real-time simulation for different customers.
So you work for yourself, right?
And I work, I work as an independent for myself.
Great.
Yeah, since a long time.
And how did you first become aware of CityEngine?
Well, in fact, I was introduced to Pascal by a friend in 2006, and I had the privilege to have a glimpse to the technology before CityEngine was a commercial product, and it somehow rang the bell in my mind, and I always was interested in the technology, and when it came out, I jumped into the train and never left.
So, what's been your favourite project with CityEngine so far?
Oh, favorite project. I don't know. Maybe the one which is featured on the Esri webpage. This one is old actually, but it's a urban planning project, and it was really interesting because of all the freedom I had in the procedural coding and of course the latest project I've made, and this one I'm still working on, is also really interesting because things are getting bigger and bigger, and of course my knowledge of the technology and also my freedom are increasing, and I can do, and the software also is getting better, so and more powerful every time, and I can do things cooler every time. So,
great. And so speaking of the software getting better, so what improvements in CityEngine would significantly help your workflow?
This is a tricky question because I think there is room for UX and UI improvements. I already told that to a lot of developers, of course. And also from a technical point of view, there are some tiny elements, but I think which are crucial for precise and accurate modeling. So speaking, the component split, for instance, needs to be more powerful, I think,
Okay.
in order to be able to really model things in the way I think it should be done. But who knows? Maybe it will be.
Well, so shout out to my CityEngine team. We need to work on the components.
Yeah, with smoothing groups, with vertex normals, so we can split in numerous ways, and it will be awesome.
Great. All right, that's it. So thanks again,
Thank you
Mama,
for
joining me, and see you all next time.
Bye bye.